Morning students, this is your maths teacher and today we are going to start with first chapter real number. In this lesson we will see principle of Euclid division lemma and method of finding HCF, that is highest common factor using Euclid division lemma. Have you ever visited a shop for purchasing books, pen, pencils, like such items? Have you ever thought how the shopkeeper is maintaining the record? How he might be knowing how many pens are sold or how many pencils are sold and how many he is having in his stock. So today let's see how he maintains the stock record. Okay, this is a tabular form he is having. Okay, it is having 5 columns, namely items, pieces per box, number of boxes, extra items and the total. Now suppose we want the pencils record. So he is having 7 boxes of pencils and each box is containing 10 pencils. Along with this he is having 3 extra pencils with him. So the total become 10 into 7 70 plus 3, that is 73. Now let's check the eraser record. He is having 8 boxes and each box contain 6 eraser. And along with this he is having 7 extra eraser with him. So the total become 6 8s are 48 plus 7, that is 55. Now take the sharpener. He is having 4 boxes of sharpener and each box contain 8 sharpeners. But this time he is not having a extra sharpener. So the total becomes 8 4s are 32. Now last, ball pen. He is having a box containing 20 pens, but at present he is not having a single box. Okay, he is having 8 extra ball pens. So the total becomes 20 into 0, 0 plus 8, that is 8. Okay, have you seen that we are getting, if we look at each row, we will find a definite pattern through which we are getting the totals. Let it total is equals to pieces per box into number of boxes plus extra items. Okay. For example, 73 is equals to 10 into 7 plus 3. 55 is equals to 6 into 8 plus 7. 32 is equals to 8 into 4 plus 0 and 8 is equals to 20 into 0 plus 8. Here, now suppose we assume A as total, B as pieces per box. Then we get A is equals to BQ plus R, where Q is number of boxes and R is the extra items. Here Q and R can be 0, but always keep in mind this R should be less than B. Okay? Yes? So let's see what is this Euclid division lemma. We will see the statement. Euclid division lemma. Given positive integer E and B, there exists unique integer Q and R satisfying A equals to BQ plus R, where R is greater than equals to 0 but less than B. Okay? Now, suppose the shopkeeper wants to arrange boxes of pencils and eraser in a least number of shelves such that the pencils is equally divided into all the shelves. Okay, let's take an example that the shopkeeper is having 520 boxes of pencils and 140 boxes of eraser. Okay, and he want to arrange this in all the shelves equally. So here he will use Euclid division lemma method. How he uses it, let's see. Okay, here we will assume A 520 and B as 140. Okay, so 520 is equals to 140 into 3 plus 100. Here remainder is not 0, so again we have to apply Euclid division lemma. Okay, for 140 and 100. Okay, so now 140 is equals to, similarly you have to divide and find the answer. So 140 is equals to 100 into 1 plus 40. Here again a remainder is not coming 0. So we have to apply Euclid division lemma for 140. After dividing we get 100 is equals to 40 into 2 plus 20. Again we have to solve as the remainder is not coming 0. So 40 is equals to 20 into 2 plus 0. Here in this stage we will stop as our remainder comes 0. Therefore HCF of 520 and 140 is 20. That means the shopkeeper will arrange the pencils, boxes of pencils and eraser into 20 shelves. Okay, how he will arrange? He will just divide this 520 by 20. So he will get 27 and 140 by 20. So he will get 7. This means the shopkeeper will have 27 boxes of pencils and 7 boxes of eraser in each shelf. So have you understood? This method of solving Euclid division lemma and finding the HCF. Okay? In the next session, we will solve more sums based on this Euclid division lemma. Thank you for today. Take care.